Good evening, everyone. All of you will reply in the chat box. Okay. आप लोग chat box में reply कीजिएगा. Good evening, Rimpi. So we will wait for 3 to 4 minutes, then we will start the class. We'll start the class at 3:10. And sorry for the delay of the class, guys. Suddenly I need to go in a wedding. And my flight got delayed, so that's why I was not able to take the classes. So in today's workshop, we will make brownie. 5 different types of brownie we will make. Okay. Which is Nutella brownie, Oreo brownie. Second one is white chocolate brownie, chocolate fudge. That's it. So anyone is making? Ma'am can make. Yes, Rimpi, you can make without egg also. Instead of egg, you can use curd. 20 gram of curd you can take. 20 to 30 gram. Rekha, I will update you after the class. Like from tomorrow, it will continue. Those who have joined all 5 workshops, so it will continue from tomorrow. So anyone is making like iPhone, what's your name? And Farina, Rekha, Rimpi. Rekha is making, okay. Okay, so for making, we will now start the class. So first of all, we will start making brownie, which is Nutella brownie. Okay, you can make Nutella brownie, Oreo brownie with the same process. Okay, Nutella brownie, just we need to spread the Nutella over it, and Oreo, you need to just add the Oreo cookies. That's it. So we will make the Nutella and Oreo brownie first. ठीक है? विदाउट ओवन बनाना हो तो कैसे बनाए? विदाउट ओवन बनाना हो तो सेम प्रोसेस होगा. लाइक आपको एक कढ़ाई या फिर कुकर लेना होगा, ठीक है। उसमें आपको सॉल्ट स्प्रेड करना होगा एक स्टैंड रख करके, और ये मोल्ड को इसमें रख करके एंड कवर कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है। So let's start the class. So first of all, we will take a bowl and we will beat egg, and in between we will add sugar. So here I am taking powdered sugar, that is 105 gram. 105 gram of powdered sugar we will take. 105 ग्राम हमें powdered sugar ले लेना है. Hundred and five gram. Now we will take another bowl. And you need to, what you need to do, you need to melt butter and dark compound chocolate. बटर एंड डार्क कंपाउंड चॉकलेट को मेल्ट करना है. यू कैन मेल्ट इट इन द माइक्रोवेव ऑल्सो, और यू कैन यूज डबल बॉयलर मेथड. लेट मी टीच यू द डबल बॉयलर मेथड. So first of all, you need to take a bowl in which you need to take the hot water, okay, and over that you need to put this bowl. Now we will add butter and chocolate in this. So first of all, we will measure the quantity of dark compound chocolate. So this is dark compound chocolate which we will use for making brownie. Okay. In winter it gets hard, so 130 gram of dark compound chocolate you need to take. Okay, this is 130 gram. You need to take 130 gram of dark compound chocolate. Is it clear? After that, you need to take 85 gram of butter. 85 gram of butter you need to take. So 85 gram of butter we have taken here. Now we will melt it with dark compound chocolate. Dark compound chocolate के साथ हमें melt करना है. So we will chop it into small pieces so that it will get melted easily. So Rekha, you are making. Have you completed till this? Okay, I'm waiting. I'm just chopping the chocolates. You can turn on your camera if you want, so that I can show you whether see you whether you are doing right or not. In summer, the chocolate gets melted easily, but in winter, it takes time. You can see it's very hard. Those who are making, please preheat your OTG for 10 minutes at 180 degree on lower rod. Lower rod पे 180 पे बेक करना है. So now we will keep it aside. It will get melted. So we will wait. Till then we will beat the egg. Okay. Please wait a minute. Okay, so now we will start beating the egg. Okay. So we need to take 2 egg. 2 egg ले लेना है हमें. Yes, Rekha, you can take curd. Yes, beat it once. Beat कर लीजिए आप. Beat curd, and in between you need to add sugar. Okay. कर्ड को बीट कीजिए एंड बीच बीच में आप शुगर ऐड कीजिएगा. So this is the egg which I am beating now, and in between we will add sugar. Now in between we will add egg. Sugar. And yes, I have added sugar. Powdered sugar. So you need to beat it till it gets fluffy. You can see it is very fluffy and very light. So you need to beat it till it gets fluffy. थोड़ा ना. Now we will check. Yes, Rekha, turn on your camera. I already told you to turn on your camera. और turn on your back camera. बैक कैमरा कर करके और आप नीचे रख करके बाउल दिखा दो मुझे. या फिर आप लिफ्ट करो उसे ऊपर. लिफ्ट योर विद स्पून. Okay, you are using laptop. Okay, show me once. Just lift it with a spatula. Yes, that's fine. Fine, fine. Yes, that's fine. Completely fine. Okay. So now you can see the chocolate gets melted, right? Chocolate melt हो चुका है already. So we will add this chocolate with egg. Egg के साथ हमें add करना है chocolate. and now we will mix it. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेना है. Now we will wait little time. Do it fast, Rekha. I'm doing very slowly. The consistent, the result. It will be better with egg. Egg के साथ ज़्यादा better आता है because the original brownie we always make with egg. Okay. The consistency is very thick consistency है. So how? No, don't add milk. How much amount of curd you have taken? कितना curd लिया था आपने? Twenty gram. Okay, you can take 30 more gram of curd because I think the weight of 2 egg is approx 50 gram. So you can take 30 more gram of curd. Now we will measure all the dry ingredients. जितने भी dry ingredients हैं हम sieve कर लेंगे. ठीक है? So first of all, we will take the refined flour. So we will take refined flour 75 gram. 75 gram of refined flour we will add. We need to take all the measurements in a proper way. सारे measurement हमें proper way में लेना है. After that we will add baking powder. That is 1 gram. 1 gram of baking powder. Then we will use vanilla powder. If you want to use vanilla essence, you can use this one, but always use it in liquid medium. Okay, हमेशा liquid medium में use कीजिएगा vanilla essence को. And if you are using egg, don't forget to add vanilla essence or vanilla powder, otherwise the egg smell will come out. After that we will add cocoa powder. This is the cocoa powder I am using. So 10 gram of cocoa powder we will take. 10 gram of cocoa powder. So we have taken all our ingredients. Now we will sieve it. Always sieve your dry. First of all, you need to take maida, that is 75 gram. 75 gram of refined flour you need to take. Okay. After that, you need to take 10 gram of cocoa powder, 1 gram of vanilla powder, and 1 gram of baking powder. That's it. Now we will sieve it. Half teaspoon you can take, or 1 teaspoon. Now we will mix it with cut and fold method. Okay. कट एंड फोल्ड मेथड से हमें मिक्स करना है. कोको पाउडर 10 ग्राम. Ten gram of cocoa powder you need to take. 75 gram of refined flour. 1 gram of baking powder. 1 gram of vanilla powder. Or if you are using vanilla essence, use 6 to 7 drops. You are not measuring with measuring scale or measuring cups, Rekha, or you are just using spoon. Like this type of a spoon you are using. No, so sorry for that, but you won't get the proper measurement and your recipe will not perfect if you will not use measuring scale or measuring cups. Because the size of every spoon is different, so I cannot tell you the exact. So you can measure it with measuring scale, na? Now we will. Okay, then fine. Then why you are asking about teaspoon? 10 gram of teaspoon. Now we will take this mold. This is 7-inch mold. Okay, 7-inch का square mold है, which we are using. Now we will grease and dust it. Or you can use paper also. In the first, I have already mixed it, Rekha. First, let me repeat the process. First of all, you need to melt butter and dark compound chocolate using double boiler method or using microwave method. Okay. First of all, you need to melt butter and chocolate. 85 gram of butter and 105 gram of dark compound chocolate. 135 gram of dark compound chocolate and 85 gram of butter you need to take. You need to melt it. Second process will be beating of egg. So you need to take 2 eggs. If you are using curd, you can use 50 gram of curd. In between, you need to add sugar, which is 105 gram. Okay. Now, after beating egg, you need to mix chocolate and egg all together. Then we will measure all the dry ingredients like vanilla powder, refined flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder. Now, you need to mix all the wet and dry ingredients together. So I have greased it. Now we will dust it with refined flour. Now you need to dust it like this so that the brownie will demold easily. Okay. You need to dust all the sides. इस तरह से आपको dusting करनी है. This is the right method of dusting. Okay, now we will pour our batter in this mold. मोल्ड में हम बैटर को पोर कर देंगे. Now we will spread it. अच्छी तरह से हमें स्प्रेड कर देना है. All the sides we need to spread. So your brownie batter is ready. Now we will add Oreo on the top. Yes, I will send the video after the class. So is there any doubt till now? किसी को कोई भी डाउट है अभी तक? Have you done, Rekha? Actually, the brownie consistency is thick, so show me the consistency. Please use the proper measurement. जो भी मैंने measurement बताई है, आप वो measurement follow कीजिए. You will get the perfect recipe. You need to take Oreo cookies. Okay, so now in half we will add walnuts. हाफ में हम वॉलनट ऐड कर देंगे. In another half we will add Oreo. And just gently press it. Okay, gently हम प्रेस कर लेंगे. Now in another half we will add dark choco chips and white choco chips. Another half we will add dark choco chips and white choco chips. So these are the three different types of brownie: walnut brownie, Oreo brownie, and choco chips brownie. So your batter is ready. You can see now we will bake it at 180 degree on the lower rod for 25 to 30 minutes. 25 से 30 minutes तक हम इसे bake करेंगे on the lower rod. Okay. Okay. So is there any doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है ब्राउनी में? Is there any doubt, guys? If you have, please ask me. Please ask all of you fast. So that we can proceed towards the next brownie, that is white chocolate brownie. Rekha, have you joined the Valentine workshop? Okay, so I will share the details after the class. We are making brownie now, so please stick on this. Rimpi break class, I will inform just after the class. In the after half an hour, I will discuss and I will inform you. Okay. It will continue from tomorrow. It was late due to that waiting and my, as I said, my flight gets delayed due to that. So we will continue all the workshop from tomorrow. Okay. So now we need to do is we need to melt white chocolate and butter. Okay, so let's start making white chocolate brownie. So for making white chocolate brownie, I will use half recipe only. मैं half recipe की बनाऊंगी. If you want, you can make full recipe. Like if I have written 85 gram of butter, it means I will take 43 gram of butter. All the ingredients will be half quantity. Okay. तो पानी। Okay, so we will take the bowl and we will beat the egg again. So in this time we will take one egg because we are making half recipe. Let's melt the chocolate first. हम लोग पहले chocolate melt कर लेते हैं because it will take time. So first of all we will melt the chocolate. So this is white compound chocolate. Okay, ये white compound chocolate है. Which we need to take 65 gram. So 65 gram of white compound chocolate we will melt. Always dry your bowl. So 65 gram of dark compound chocolate we will chop. Anyone is making white chocolate brownie? So only 65 gram we will take. After that we will take 45 gram of butter. 45 gram हमें बटर ले लेना है. And you need to melt it. आपको मेल्ट करना है with the double boiler method. Now we will measure the sugar. So 52 gram of sugar we will take. 52 gram हमें sugar add करना है. In another bowl we will add 52 gram of sugar. Now we will take the egg. So one egg I am taking here. And we will start beating it. Is there any doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है? And the chat box, guys, are you there or not? Now we will add the melted chocolates. No. Guys, are you there? All of you, Rekha, Rimpi, Farina, all of you are there or not? The water gets cold, so just wait a minute. Let me heat it once. So brownie, you can make it in any type of ring or mold. Okay. So I'm using this small ring for making brownie. So we will fold it. So you can see your chocolate and butter gets melted. Now we will add it with the egg. Egg के साथ हमें add कर देना है. Now we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से mix कर लेना है. Now we will measure all the dry ingredients. जितने भी dry ingredients हैं हम सभी को measure कर लेंगे. ठीक है? तो मैदा we are taking 90 gram. 90 gram of maida we will take. We will measure all the, we will sieve all the ingredients. सारे ingredients को sieve कर लेना है. So 90 gram of refined flour we will, we have taken half recipe, so we will add 45 gram only. 45 gram ही हमें ऐड करने हैं. Now we will add vanilla powder. 2 ग्राम 2 ग्राम वनीला पाउडर ले लेना है. 1 ग्राम ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा. And now we will sieve it all together. एक साथ sieve कर लेना है. Now we will mix it well. Mix it with cut and fold method. This would be the consistency. Okay, इतना ही consistency होना चाहिए. Now we will add in this white and dark choco chips. Now we will pour the batter in this mold. Okay, let me first grease it. Now we will pour the batter in this mold. On the top also you can add Oreo. Oreo आप ऐड कर सकते हो टॉप पे. Now we will bake it at 180 degree on the lower rod for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, 25 to 30 minutes के लिए हमें बेक करना है. ठीक है. So your white chocolate brownie is also ready. Now we will start making chocolate fudge brownie. Chocolate fudge brownie is without egg. Chocolate fudge brownie जो होता है वो without egg होता है. ठीक है. So we will make chocolate fudge brownie now. So for that also we need to take dark compound chocolate, that is 100 gram. 100 gram of dark compound chocolate we need to take. Okay, let's make half recipe also in this. Like 50 gram of dark compound chocolate I will take. I'm making half recipe, guys. It will get wasted because there are so many brownies we made today. So no one is here to eat it. So it will get waste. So we will take 50 gram of dark compound chocolate. Now we will melt it. हमें मेल्ट कर लेना है. 50 gram of dark compound chocolate and 30 gram of butter we will take. The butter should be at room temperature. Now we will melt it. नाउ वी विल मेल्ट इट, हमें इसे मेल्ट कर लेना है। So after melting butter and chocolate, we need to do the next process. That is, we will take a bowl and we will add milk. Okay. हम लोग एक बाउल ले लेंगे and that in that bowl we need to add milk with melted chocolate and butter. ठीक है? So we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Chocolate gets melted. So after that we will use that. Till then let's measure all the dry ingredients. सारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मेजर कर लेते हैं। So we will take maida, that is 75 gram. 75 gram of maida, that is refined flour, you need to take. Okay. 75 gram of maida we will take. After that we will add vanilla powder, that is 1 gram. टेन ग्राम ऑफ कोको पाउडर, 10 ग्राम में कोको पाउडर ले लेना है। 2 ग्राम ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा, 2 to 1 gram. In half recipe you can take 1 gram. In full recipe you can take half gram. Okay. Now we will sieve it all together. And we will keep it aside. Now we will measure all the wet ingredients, that is milk and chocolate. So please all of you try this recipe after the class and share the picture with me with feedback. Okay. So we will add 30 gram of milk. 30 ग्राम हमें मिल्क ऐड करना है with chocolate and melted butter. Now mix it well. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लीजिए. Now we will mix all the wet and dry ingredients together. Now mix it with cut and fold method. If there is requirement of milk, we will add 5 to 10 gram of more milk. Okay. Now we will pour the batter in the mold. Now we will grease and dust the mold and we will pour the batter. So we have completed all our 5 brownie. I will show you in the class itself. Now we will dust it. अच्छी तरह से dust करना है so that it will get demold easily. ठीक है? So this is the right method of dusting. In winter, the chocolate is very sticky, so we will add milk. Now we will pour it in the mold. And we will spread it. Now on the top we will add white choco chips. After that, we will add dark choco chips also. And now we will bake it at 180 degree for 30 minutes. 30 मिनट तक आपको बेक करना है. Check it after 25 minutes. So your Oreo brownie and walnut brownie is ready. You can see it's very hot now. So is there any doubt in this, guys? किसी को कोई भी doubt है आप लोग पूछ सकते हो. Who is this? Relha. My one is baked from sides. Rekha. Okay. How many minutes you have kept, and you have kept for the lower rod? Thirty minutes. 180 degree. Okay. The mold size which you have used, कौन सा mold size आपने use किया? Okay, so that's why it is taking time, because the batter is more and you are using a small inch mold. Okay, so keep it for more 10 minutes. 10 मिनट और आप बेक कर लीजिए. Is there any doubt, guys? Is there any doubt? Please ask. Okay, so that's it for today's class. We have completed our brownie workshop. I will share the picture on the Instagram also and on the WhatsApp also. ठीक है? So those who are making, please also share the picture with me. आप लोग भी picture send कीजिएगा. Yes, every brownie on the lower rod only. सारे brownie lower rod पे ही bake होंगे. Yes, there is issue. I will send it by today only. आज मैं send कर दूंगी रेखा. Don't worry. Second class recording I have sent, I think. Yeah. So there is an issue in that one. So I will share it by today only. आज ही मैं भेज दूंगी. Don't worry. Any more doubts, please ask. Yes, today itself I will send tomorrow's PDF. I will update you about the workshop, please. Yes, definitely I will share. So like that you can make it, okay? इसी तरह से आप लोग बना सकते हो ब्राउनी. Yes, Rekha, definitely. It's very hot, so if I will demold it now, it will. So I will demold it after 10 to 15 minutes, and I will share the picture in the group. Okay, so let me tell you, for making Nutella brownie, just garnish it with Nutella on the top. If you are making lotus biscuit brownie, garnish it with lotus biscuit. Any types of brownie, you can spread it on the top. Else, every recipe will be same. ठीक है? So thank you so much everyone. Bye. I will send the recorded lectures in the group.